Thank you, Dr. Clancy, for another great introduction to our module. I just wanted to add a couple of things. Be sure to do the readings that are here in the textbooks, and remember also the resources that we provided in Module 1 that can help you think about how to synthesize and review the literature. And also remember the Khan 301 course, which we talked about in some of the introductory videos for the whole course. Be sure that you have your APA format down pat. Use the OWL at Purdue. There's a sample paper there. You can download and print it out and have it in front of you. Also in the helpful resources over here, helpful tools over here, I have a few videos that talk about making sure you get your font right and stuff like that. So be sure to check there as well for helpful hints. And that should demystify a lot of the writing process. Writing can be challenging. Be sure to read the sample articles. They will give you a flavor for writing style and also the kinds of information to include there. When you wrote at your previous levels in bachelor's and master's, when you wrote literature reviews there, you were mostly focused on presenting the information that was there. In your master's, you did some synthesis to look for themes. Now you're really going to focus mostly on what all of that means for clinical practice. So here's where you start to differentiate yourself as a doctorally prepared advanced practice nurse. All the other things are important. Summarizing is definitely important. Looking for themes is important. But you also must say what that means, and that will be in your discussion and clinical significance and also in the conclusions. I would say that, as I mentioned earlier, the discussion and clinical significance should be the lion's share of your paper, maybe a fourth to even a third of the paper. It's really hard because you put so much work into the methods. You put so much work into the results. But if you look at the published papers, you'll see that most of the inches or square feet or whatever you want to call it in the journals is dedicated to the interpretation. So take a look. There's in some of the articles there is some discussion blended in with the results, but you'll be able to discern that. So be sure when you're doing your writing to use all the resources we gave you. Also in the APA manual, I'm sure it's your favorite, but it actually has lots of helpful information in there. So look up how to write a paper. What should be in an introductory section? What should be in the methods section? What should be in a results section? So that information can help supplement what we've provided here and what's in the Khan 301 course. Any questions? Let us know. Happy writing. Thank you.